Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming prerequisites: a charged headset, clean lenses, and Wi-Fi access. Put the headset on briefly to adjust straps so imagery centers. Once comfortable, power on the device and follow the pairing prompt to connect the controller. This creates the input link you'll need. Make sure your play area is clear and the Guardian bounds are turned on so tracking won't clip. You'll now be ready to download or launch the Hands-On app and begin calibration. Once the app is open, run through the tracking and controller calibration. This aligns virtual hands with your real ones. Adjust interpupillary distance and comfort settings so visuals stay sharp and reduce motion discomfort. Then, practice core interactions. Grab, point, and menu gestures, alternating hands to verify ambidextrous tracking. Use short test tasks to check haptics and controller latency. Repeat calibration if motion seems off. To finish, save your configuration as a profile so you can return to the same settings. Run a short hands-on session focused on a complete task to confirm stability and comfort for longer use. If problems occur, restart the headset first. Rebooting often restores tracking and audio. If tracking still drifts, rerun the calibration and inspect the play area for reflective surfaces or poor lighting. Finally, update firmware and app versions to prevent recurring issues and keep everything responsive.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.